I felt that knowing the prices up front made me more confident, made me more empowered as a decision maker. The prices that were estimated through the Eden Instant Quote system and my final bill were incredibly close, which I really, really appreciated. This is not something that we buy on a regular basis. It takes a lot of time and it requires a lot of coordination. Instant Quote system was extremely approachable. It was able to give me several options with very precise quotes and cost estimates. And this is different than other contractors who don't tell you up front what you're in for. I was surprised that the tool showed me which rebates or tax credits were even available. Information like this is generally pretty hard to find. Having all of this information available to me online when I was trying to decide how to move forward with my HVAC purchase was incredibly helpful. And I feel that no matter where I purchase a HVAC system, I would hope that I have access to that same level of transparency. My wife and I moved to Woodinville, Washington. When my wife and I moved here from Georgia, we never thought we would need air conditioning. It is such a relief to have air conditioning when you need it. And last summer was the first summer where we enjoyed the comforts of being upstairs because we used to have to hide downstairs where it's cooler.